Hi, today I will show you how to create
If you're
a
new
noise
here,
texture
make sure to
on
hit that
Blender.
subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. First, let's say I have this object and make sure you render it on cycles, not if. On the shade materials and Shift A and search noise texture and bump. Then Shift A again and find texture coordinate and mapping. Now just connect each one of them and make sure on the bump you connect it at normal. As you can see, there's already bump here, and you can adjust whatever you want on the noise texture. For me, I will adjust the scale. And this is the strength. You can adjust this also. This is for the intensity for the noise. Okay, this is it. You can once again play around with the scales and the strength. And this is my final render. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!